Riding with Rosa Parks, written by Alien Forrest, illustrated by Chris Baldwin. On a bus, Marisa and her mother were riding a bus. They were on their way to Grandma's house. They had to sit in the back seat. Marisa didn't like the back seat. There were lots of black people who had to sit at the back of the bus. Her mother said it was unfair. Some white people came on the bus. Some of the black people had to stand and give them their seat. That was not a part of the laws. Refusing the stand, but one black woman didn't stand up. Her name was Rosa Parks. She didn't want to move from her seat. The driver told Rosa she had to move, but she said no. Then the driver called the police. The police came and arrested Rosa Parks. Marisa wondered what would happen next. She drew about how brave Rosa Parks had been. Everybody knew the law, even if it wasn't fair. Taking steps. When other people heard what happened to Rosa, they got very upset. They decided to stop riding the city buses. Marisa asked her mom why they had to work. Her mom says people stopped riding buses to show that the laws were unfair. For a long time, they worked everywhere. Marisa left was sometimes very tired. Still, they didn't ride a bus, making a difference. Finally, an amazing thing happened. The law was changed. Marisa and her mom could now sit at the front of the bus. They didn't have to stand and give up their seat to white people. Marisa learned that one person could make a difference. She learned people could join together to change things. Today, Rosa Parks is a hero because she said no to something that wasn't fair. She made a law in the United States stand shame. Many other people have followed Rosa's example. They keep working to make sure people of all colors have the same rights. Glossary: arrested, captured, or held someone in custody using the power of law. Brave, having courage when facing something scary, hard, or painful. Hero, a person known for a brave act or action that help others. Law, a rule or set of rules made by government. Nice, freedoms of powers, rights. Freedom of powers that a person can justly claim. Unfair, not just, and horrible